Excuse my voice, guys. I was screaming for the cross-country people. Okay, so a positive divided by a negative is going to have a negative answer. So 1a is negative because of that. For 1b, you have a negative divided by a negative, which is going to give you a positive result. So that's why we have a positive 3. Okay, same thing for 1c and the same thing for 1d. So really, just look at the division. Back to 1b, 15 divided by 5 is 3, 10 divided by 2 is 5, and 25 divided by 5 is 5. Okay, let's talk about question 2 now. In order to compare the fractions, we have to have a common denominator. So we're going to make a list of the multiples of 3, of 2, and of 4, and find the least common denominator so that we can compare them more easily. We're going to do this using your multiplication chart if needed. As you can see, every single list of numbers has the number 12, and 12 is the smallest number in all of those lists. So we need to make all of the denominators equal to 12 by using multiplication. Now that we have all the fractions, we are going to list them from least to greatest to see if 2/3 really is between the others. Since all the denominators are the same, we can go ahead and set that up first. Now we look at the numerators. 6 is the least of the numerators, so 6 goes first. 8 is next in line, so that would come after the 6 because it's larger. Okay. However, 9 is larger than 8, so 9 would come after the 8. Now, 8/12 originally, that was 2/3. 6/12 was originally 1/2, and 9/12 was originally 3/4. So, as you can see, 2/3 really is between 1/2 and 3/4. But it says compare, so your answer won't be complete unless you have a complete sentence explaining yes, it is in between them, or no, it is not. As we saw, it is in between them. I will not be writing the sentence for you guys because we did it together Wednesday. I need you guys to practice it on your own today. On Friday, we won't be going over it at all, and I want to see what you guys can do on your own. For problem number 3, the correct answer is D.